Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to post your own music on Instagram. All right, so basically, as we all know, Instagram doesn't have a function where we can upload our own music, okay? What if you wanted to use that specific music to your post, Reels, okay? So all you have to do is just open up the Instagram app right here. Go ahead and go to your profile right here at the bottom right, tap on it. Now go to the top right and tap on 3 horizontal lines, okay? So in here, just go ahead over to the very bottom and tap on add account. Okay, so basically we're going to be creating an alternate account. Okay, just tap on create new account, add in the username, for example, right here. Tap on next, now tap on continue. Allow, complete. Okay. Okay, so while it's registering, I would like to talk about something. So first up, you would need a video recorder on your phone. Okay, like a screen recorder. So basically, you're gonna want to play the video and then record it. Okay, again, record the video where it has the music that you would like to use on Instagram. Okay, and once you're done recording, go ahead and open up the alternate account. Okay, for example, this one. Now that we have the alternate account, just go ahead and tap the plus sign. Okay, now go ahead and select the video that you just recorded that got the music. For example, this one right here. Just tap on it, hit on next, again, next, give it a caption, like maybe ... like so, and next. Share, wait for it. Now, once it's done posting, just gotta go to your profile, right here at the bottom right, tap on the post, tap on share right here, and send it to yourself, okay? Or you can just go ahead and copy the link, go back to your main profile at the top right, 3 horizontal lines, scroll all the way down. Again, tap on add account, log into existing account, and log into your main account. Okay. And once logged in, just tap on the message icon or DM icon. Okay. Send it to any person, tap and hold, paste, sent. All right. Now all you have to do is just tap on the video itself. Now tap on the audio. Okay. Tap on it. Now you can just go ahead and tap on use audio. Okay. As you can see here, it says original audio. Just tap on it and you can use the audio for your own video. And that is it. That's how you post your own music on Instagram. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.